Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. I want to introduce you to the Orgie She Spot Intimate Gel. This arousal gel is designed to make you experience heightened pleasures and intense stimulation that you never thought possible. She Spot was submitted dermatologic, gynecologic, and efficacy evaluation carried by a certified independent research laboratory. It was tested and approved with high rates of approval. Its exclusive formula contains jumbo extract from a plant found in the Amazon rainforest region that delivers instant vibration and tingling effects at a scale of level 6, combined with another selected ingredients that adds evolving warming, cooling, and mild spicy sensations during its action time. And it is very simple to apply. Start by pumping a small amount of She Spot directly on and around the vulva. You can reapply if desired. Orgie recommends starting with one pump dose and then adjust the dosage according to what feels more arousing and yet comfortable for you. The G-spot is known to be the most sensitive area of the female body, and She Spot is designed to hit the target to amplify its sensitivity and lead to intense orgasms. If you wish to learn more about the jumbo extract, the peculiar active ingredient that Orgie brings into all its vibrating products, join me on the video about Sexy Vibe. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.